Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model Y's color. We'll explore various methods like wraps and paint, discuss the process, and cover important considerations such as cost and maintenance. This guide will help you understand the steps involved in giving your vehicle a fresh, new look. When considering a color change for your Tesla Model Y, you have a few primary options. Vinyl wraps are popular for their versatility and reversibility, offering many colors and finishes. Paint protection film, or PPF, can also provide a subtle color shift while protecting the original paint. For a permanent change, a professional paint job is another route, though it is typically more involved. If you choose a vinyl wrap, the process begins with meticulous cleaning of your Model Y's surface to ensure proper adhesion. Next, the vinyl panels are carefully cut and applied to each section of the car. Installers use heat and specialized tools to stretch and smooth the material, eliminating bubbles and wrinkles for a flawless finish. Finally, the wrap needs time to cure, ensuring its longevity. The cost to change your Tesla's color varies significantly. A full vinyl wrap for a Model Y generally costs between $2,500 and $6,000. A professional paint job, being more permanent, can range from $5,000 to over $10,000. For maintenance, regular hand washing with mild soap and water is crucial, and it's best to avoid automatic car washes to preserve the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.